A loyal dog brings warmth and love to every home.
Through every day, a loyal dog is by your side, without complaints.
When times are tough, a dog senses your feelings and stays close, comforting you silently.
In simple moments, loyalty shows itself. In games, in companionship, in love. A loyal dog protects its family, always alert, always loving.